Hello, my name is Akram and today I am going to simulate Arduino LED blinking on the Proteus. So first of all, let's pick devices and I am going to use Arduino Uno, and then we will need one LED. I am going to use yellow LED here. Okay, so let me just tell you that Arduino library does not come by default with the Proteus. You will have to install from the other sites. It's already available on different sites. So let's first of all select Arduino, then LED. I'm going to connect this with the digital pin 12, and now we have to ground the circuit. So it's a very basic circuit. I'm going to demonstrate here just to get an idea how you can simulate different devices or different projects here on Proteus. So the circuit is complete. Now for code, as you can see here, that for the program file you will need the file in form of hex. So first of all we will need that. Okay, so let's open the Arduino here, Arduino IDE, and we will need to program. So as I have already mentioned that I am going to use digital pin of the 12th pin of the digital board from the Arduino. So for programming, let me just initialize a variable called LED which is on the 12th pin. Okay, and then in void setup we need to initialize which pin I am going to use as input and output. So pin mode LED comma output, because we are going to use LED as output, and then we need to write the main program in the loop form. Because this code we want to repeat again and again. So first of all let's put high here, then I'm going to give a command of delay for, let's say, 100. This 100 is in millisecond. Okay, so if you want a delay of 1 second, then you should use 1000. Digital right, and now low. Okay, so it will turn the LED off, and then again delay of, let's say, 100 millisecond. Okay, so let's compile this. I'm going to compile this on, save this on desktop. So as you can see that the compilation is done, but we don't have any information that where the code is saved. Okay, so go to the file and select the preferences, and then select here for the compilation and upload, so that it shows the output. Select OK, and then compile it again. Okay, so as you can see here that the address is given, and for the X file just select or just copy this address. This may be different for your computer. Okay, just copy this, and now just paste the same address on the Proteus here on the program file. Okay, press OK, and now run the simulation. See, as you can see here that the LED is blinking with a delay of 100 milliseconds. So in this way you can actually simulate your own project on the Proteus first, and then you can test the code on the hardware. Okay, hope that this will be helpful for your project or to develop your own skills. Thank you.